camera, okay? This is going on YouTube. I was gonna film all the stupid crap you do. Retard. That is for YouTube, man. You can see us. You can see all over YouTube. Hey, Dad. Don't you love how I don't ask anyone's permission and I just completely film everybody? Yeah. This is fine. Hey, Jamie. What up, dog? That's my camera, yeah. It's gonna be on YouTube. My girlfriend, actually. My girlfriend bought this for me. Yeah, they're like... Hey, douchebag. It's all going on YouTube.
Is it?
Yeah.
What?
It's gonna be Commerce Card Trade Show. Yeah, that's right.
Special.
What up, dog? No, on YouTube, man. Look, guys, you guys better shut up.
You don't have the right to do things.
I have the right. Don't even worry about it.
On YouTube.
That's all going on YouTube. Ow! Oh, you. Leave it. Ah, dude, you got me like dead center, man. Alright, guys. Yeah, I gotta go piss off over here. What up, dog? What's up? What's going on YouTube? So, just letting you guys know that, things, anybody's permission, I just film what I want, and frankly, unless you guys really don't want to be there, I'll edit you out. Alright, this where it's at. This where it's at, dog. Hey, Tyler! You get it? That's what I'm feeling when you tell you. Yeah. Hey, Bo. Don't screw it up. You're on camera. Go ahead. Mine.